लाइफ में हमेशा एक प्लेयर के पास हमेशा दो टफ चॉइसेस आती है. He has to choose over legacy or money. You look your Maldinis, Buffon, Lam on one hand. On the other hand, you look at your Ibra, Neymar, Hulk, Falcao. I'm not saying people who choose money are bad or people who choose legacy are great. Of course, both are good in their own perspective. But ये football में money और legacy का controversy, it's there from ages. But after this Hardik Pandya situation in IPL, it sparked the controversy of legacy. He should have stayed in Gujarat, or why did he make the move to Mumbai because of money and blah blah blah. I'm sorry, I think fans only know one part of the story. The other part of the story, only a player knows what is happening with him behind the doors, with the management, with the staff, with the infrastructure. A classic example is Ronaldo moved to United. He came back to United to carry forward his legacy. Almost 2 seasons he left the club because he was not happy there, and he went to Al Nassr. Of course, he went for a better contract, way to promote the league, a new challenge for him. Ronaldo has said this himself,
that I felt betrayed
because he was not happy with the management, the player, the team that was happening around him, the manager, owners, the infrastructure. तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, all these things, small things gives you an insight. It is very difficult and it is very subjective, and only a player would know ki what to choose when he wants to move ahead. He wants to go for money or he wants to go legacy. A lot of people will have a lot of opinions on this. You should keep this to the player itself. Yes, if you are creating a legacy, boss, salute to you. But if you are moving ahead with a dream and with the caliber, कोई क्लब तुमको ऐसी 100-200 मिलियन नहीं देगा. I'm sorry, बॉस. अभी रिसेंटली प्रीमियर लीग में कैसिडो बिका, डेक्लन राइस बिका, मोड्रिक 100 मिलियन का, जूड बेलिंगम भी बिका है. And look at the way Jude Bellingham has performed. If Mbappe comes to Madrid, of course he'll create a legacy for himself if he stays in the club, and that's the decision he needs to make. He'll go whether he'll stay in PSG or go Saudi League, or he'll come to his dream club which is Real Madrid. तो ये सारे एग्जाम्पल से मालूम पड़ता है कि it is very subjective and it is very dynamic when it comes to money or legacy. I really want to know what you think on this.